Good day! So, for today's video, ang ating lesson for today ay tungkol sa transforming quadratic functions. So, yung una nating i-discuss is transforming standard form ng quadratic function into vertex form. Meron kasi tayong dalawang form nito. So, yung una, we have the standard form. This is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, lagi niyong tatandaan yung standard form is meron tayong naka-equate siya sa y, tapos we have ax squared plus b as the quadratic term, plus bx the linear term, and then the c which is the constant term. And then yung vertex form natin, itong vertex form na to, very useful ito. Ito po siya. So, ang vertex form natin is y is equal to a times quantity x minus h squared plus k. So, ito yung vertex form natin. Ito ay very useful, lalo na kapag hinahanap natin yung vertex ng graph ng quadratic function which is the parabola. Kasi, ang vertex ng parabola natin, dito sa vertex form na to, kita na kaagad siya, it is in the form hk, where h is the x point and then k is the y point. Okay, so, titingnan nyo lang dito, given na kaagad siya. And also, although dito din kay standard form at saka kay vertex form, pwede rin natin ma-identify kung ano ang opening ng parabola. If it is if it opens upward or if it opens downward. So, ang titingnan lang natin dito ay yun namang A natin. Okay? Yung coefficient, leading coefficient natin. So, this time, yung given standard form, okay, yung standard form, i-convert natin or i-change natin yan into vertex form. So, paano po ba yun? Meron tayong dalawang method na pwedeng gamitin. So, una, so, change y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 7 into its vertex form using completing the square. So, meron tayong two methods na pwedeng gamitin. Una, yung completing the square. Kung master na ninyo to, this is very easy na for you. Pero kung hindi, we have the shortcut sa ating next example. So, paano po ba ginagamit si completing the square in changing standard form of quadratic function into vertex form? So, una, we have the given. We need to isolate x squared and x term. So, ito, ititira lang natin to sa right side ng equation. So, meaning to say, itong plus 7 natin, itong plus 7 natin, itatranspose natin yan sa left side ng equation. Don't forget, kapag nagtatranspose, we always change the sign of the term na ililipat mo. So, it will become y minus 7 equals quantity x squared plus 4x. Okay, so pwede naman din nyo na i-parenthesis yan, pero pwede rin na i-parenthesis ninyo. Ito yung sinasabi ko, si plus 7 naging minus 7 nung nilipat natin. Okay, that's the rule of addition property of equality, or yun yung pagta-transpose. Next natin is, dito na natin i-apply si completing the square. Sa completing the square, wag niyong kakalimutan, kinukuha natin yung numerical coefficient ng linear term, which is yung b, yung numerical coefficient natin ay yung 4. And then, pag kinuha nyo yun, di-divide mo by 2, and then yung result is square mo lang siya. So, since ang numerical coefficient mo ay 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. And then yung result, which is 2, square mo lang siya. So, this is now equal to 4. Itong 4 na to, i-add mo yan both sides of the equation. So, we have y minus 7 plus 4. Ito yon. Nag-add ka sa left, tapos x squared plus 4x plus 4 ka din, add ka din sa right. Okay? Then, after nito, is simplify na natin yung left and right side ng equation. Yung right, gagawin mo siyang perfect square or square of binomial. Kasi ano na siya pwede na natin yan mapaiksi yung ating trinomial. Pwede na siyang maging binomial, so yung tinatawag natin na square of binomial. So, we have si x, para makuha mo yung square nito, ng ating trinomial na to, this is perfect square trinomial already. So, para makuha mo yung square ng binomial nito, kunin mo lang yung square ng x squared squared and that is x. Tapos, kunin mo yung square root ng ating constant term. This is 2. Since positive lahat yan, plus mo lalagay, tapos saka mo siya i-square. So, we have, ayan, y, negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. And then, from perfect square trinomial, ito na siya. Quantity x plus 2 square. Okay? And, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box nito yung ating link ng ating lesson about completing the square. Tapos, pagkatapos nito, gamitin natin addition property of equality. Okay, so yung minus 3 natin, transpose mo na sa right. So, since this is minus, pag transpose, magiging plus. So, we have now y is equal to quantity x plus 2 square plus 3. So, naka-vertex form na to ngayon. So, yung plus 2 natin dito, this is your h. And then, yung 3 natin, this is your k. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging vertex nito, yung vertex natin is hk. Okay? So, wag ninyong kakalimutan na ang h natin dito sa vertex form ay naka-negative. So, ang h natin, since ito ay plus 2, pag sinulat natin yung vertex niyan, this will become negative 2. And then, yung k natin, hindi mapapalitan, positive 3 pa din siya. Kasi plus k naman yan sa vertex form natin. So, ang vertex ng parabola natin ngayon ay negative 2, 3. Ganyan lang po siya. Okay? Next example. So, ito, hindi completing the square ang gagamitin natin. So, gagamitin natin yung formula natin in getting the vertex hk. So, remember na ang hk natin, that's the vertex of the parabola. And itong hk na to, makikita din natin to sa vertex form natin, which is y is equal to a times quantity x minus h squared plus k. So, may formula tayo in getting the value of h. And that is negative b over 2a. Meron din naman tayong formula in getting the value of k. Pero, pwede natin dito i-apply yung substitution natin. And yung k natin is equal to y. Don't forget, class, na ang h natin, this is also equal to the value of x. X of the vertex of the parabola. So, para mas makadali natin siyang makuha, is, kailangan natin i-identify yung value ng a at saka ng b. Bakit? Kasi, si a at saka si b, siya yung nasa formula natin. Okay? So, yung itong value ng a at b, isa-substitute mo sa formula ng h. So, yung iba sa inyo nanilito sa pagkuha ng value ng a, b, at c. Huwag yun lang kakalimutan. Yun lang yung mga numbers na nasa equation natin. So, yung a natin, yung numerical ng quadratic term. So, dito, ito ay yung 2. And then, yung b natin is yung value ng numerical ng linear term, which is negative 4. Isasama nyo yung minus dun sa sign, ha. Yung iba, iniiwan yung minus. Kaya nagkakamali sila sa at the end of the solution. So, no need nang kunin yung c kasi hindi naman siya included sa formula sa ating h at saka ng k. Meron yun sa k, pero ang gagamitin natin for k is cy. Okay? So, next natin, using the formula of the h, gagamitin natin yan. Substitution lang, substitute mo lang dyan yung value ng a at saka ng b. So, we have the formula, h is equal to negative b over 2a equals, sa formula natin, may negative talaga dyan, hindi yan mawawala. So, ang b natin, yung b natin ito, yung b mo ay negative 4. So, negative, parenthesis, negative 4. May negative talaga sa labas yan, and it happens na ang b mo, negative 10. Over 2, your a is 2. So, 2, meron na talagang 2 sa formula, times 2. Then, simplify, negative times negative 4 ay positive 4. Over 2 times 2 ay positive 4 din. And then, 4 divided by 4 ay 1. So, ang h mo ay 1. your h also, don't forget your h is also your x. Okay? So, x yan. Since may value ka na ng h or ng x, next natin hanapin yung value ng k. So, using the equation, the original equation, papalitan mo yung y ng k. Okay? So, yung y, papalitan mo ng k para makuha mo yung value ng k. And then, yung mga x dito, sa ating equation, papalitan mo nung nakuha mo kanina sa solution mo, which is yung 1. Papalitan mo, substitute lang. So, we have k is equal to 2 times quantity x, gagawin mong 1. Dito, ito ha, papalit mo dito sa x. So, magiging 1, naka-square pa rin. Minus 4, o x ulit, yung x gawin mong 1 times 1 plus 5. Tapos, simplify. 1 square ay 1. 1 times 1 ay 1. Times 2, we have 2. Negative 4 times 1 ay negative 4 pa rin. Then, copy, plus 5. Tapos, sasagutan na natin. 2 minus 4 ay negative 2. Ayan. 2 minus 4, negative 2 plus 5. This is positive 3. Okay? So, meron ka ng h. Then, yung k natin ngayon ay 3. So, yung mga values na nakuha natin, isa-substitute mo yan, i-replace mo yan ngayon doon sa ating vertex form. So, ang vertex form natin ay ito. So, ang mga papalitan mo dito, si A, si H, at saka si K. Si Y, at saka yung X, as is na yan dyan. Okay? So, yung A mo, eto yon. Okay? Then, yung H mo, eto yon, yung 1. Then, yung K mo, eto naman siya. So, we have Y is equal to 2, which is your A, eto. Ayan, yung A mo siya. So, eto siya. Times quantity X, wag no need palitan. Minus 1, minus talaga yan, tapos positive 1 siya. So, minus 1 squared plus 3. Your k is positive 3. So, plus 3. So, your answer now is y is equal to 2 times quantity x minus 1 squared plus 3. So, your vertex here, your vertex which is in the form hk, okay, your vertex, the vertex of the parabola is, your h here is 1, ayan, and then your k is 3. That's it. Next, last example. Convert naman natin to. Y is equal to 3x squared plus 6x minus 4 into vertex form. So, ganun pa din. Gamitin natin yung mga yan. So, get the value of A and B. Your A here is 3. Your B here is 6. Using the formula of the H, substitution, we have negative times quantity 6 over 2 times 3. Then we have negative times 6 is negative 6 over 2 times 3 ay 6. Negative 6 divided by 6 will give you negative 1. So this is now your negative 1 will be your H or your KX. Okay? Next natin, kunin natin yung K natin. So, using the original function or equation, yung Y, palitan mo ng K. Lahat ng X dito, palitan mo ng negative 1. So, we have negative 1 squared plus 6 times 1 minus 4. And then, we have negative 1 squared ay 1, positive 1, times 3 ay positive 3. 6, this is negative 1 ha. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6, then copy, minus 4. Sagutan natin, 3 minus 6 is negative 3 minus 4 will give you negative 7. So, ang K natin ay negative 7. So, i-substitute na natin ito sa vertex form natin. So, ito siya. So, ang H natin, di ba minus? And it happens na ang H natin, ng value ng H na nakuha natin ay negative 1. So, minus ng ito ha, ito. Minus times negative 1. This is positive 1. So, ang ilalagay natin dito mamaya ay positive 1. So, it will become your A is 3. Ito dito galing yan. Minus H will become plus 1. Okay, so ito na yung sinabi ko na, in-explain ko na bakit naging plus 1. So, plus 1, then copy square, your K is negative 7. So, this is now the vertex form of your original quadratic function in standard form. Ito na ngayon siya. So, ang vertex natin dito ay negative 1, negative 7. So, ganyan lang po siya. Huwag kayong malilito class kung paano kayo magta-transform ng standard form into vertex form. Okay? So, you have two ways naman para magawa ninyo yun. Just follow the steps. Master the steps. And then, makukuha ninyo yung sagot ninyo. Okay? So, if you have any question, pwede naman ninyong balik-balikan itong video natin na to. And also, wag nyo na rin kakalimutan